everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today is Tuesday, so that means I have the YouTubers Nail Art Weekly Stamping Collabs. This week the theme is sunflowers and the host is Mae Nail Designs. So I will have everybody's pictures at the very end of the video like always, and I will have all of their links in the description box below. If you're following me on Instagram, which is at Allie's blog, you will see 2 nail designs coming up today because I am still doing the 31-day nail art challenge, so definitely check that out. I've mostly been featuring that on my Instagram because I haven't been doing videos every day for that, so check out what my other nail design is down there. But yeah, so I'm going to share with you everything that I'm going to be using in this design. And if you are coming over from one of their channels, welcome. I hope you like what you see, and I hope that you will subscribe because I do nail art every week, every couple of days. So yeah, definitely check that out. So I'm going to go ahead and get into the video. So first off, I am doing my nails with Essence, the gel nail polish, and this one is called So What, so that will be my base for that. My base coat, I used the Cuticula Silk base coat, and this is Snoozeberries. It's a scented base coat which actually smells really good. I got that from the polish pickup. And then I'm going to be stamping with a whole bunch of polishes. So I've got Hit the Bottle, and this one is called Lemon Meringue Fizz. And then I've got a black Born Pretty Store stamping polish. And then I've also got the gold one. Sorry, neither of these have numbers on them, unfortunately. And then I'm going to throw in this polish, which I don't think is available anymore. Sorry, guys. This is from Chloe and Bella. I used to do reviews for them, but I don't think you can get their polishes anymore. I think their company actually closed. But it was appropriate because it's actually called Sunflower. So, but you can find glitters kind of like that everywhere else too. So I've had this for a long time. And then I am going to be using the Lena Four Seasons Spring 01 plate, and then I'm also going to be using the Cuticula Snoozeberries scented top coat as well. So let's go ahead and get into the video. And that is the finished nail design. Sorry, the video kind of got cut off here and there. I've been having a hard time doing this particular mani for some reason. Things weren't really working out. But that is everything I have for you today. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.